because excuse that mess and the helmet. This is a BBK X pipe. This is going to replace the resonators. This should make it a little louder, a little bit raspier, but you know what? I think this is going to sound amazing, and it'll bring some volume back too. So in here we've got the new BBK mid pipe. Looks like it is a weld on, so not clamp on. So I got to make sure I have a way to weld it properly. BBK brand right there. But this is gonna look and sound, most importantly, amazing. So off to go buy clamps to put on this exhaust. And this is the last time, hopefully, that this will sound like this on a cold start. Got some exhaust clamps. These should work perfectly to hold this on.
I'm glad I moved right in my fucking headers though.
Yes, yeah, seriously.
Can it wiggle under there now or no?
Let me check.
What the fuck is my goddamn cutter?
Yeah, I'm gonna throw a tarp on your floor because.
When are you gonna throw a tarp on the floor for?
So it doesn't keep getting stuff all over it?
Yeah, well, fuck the floor. This ain't my house.
There you go.
Oh my god, it's so tiny. I'm gonna drive it right now.
Drive it. Hop in. Start the fucking engine.
Alright.
Open headers it is. Cowabunga it is, boys. Oh shit.
There's no fucking head in this.
Yeah. Open engine, not even open headers. Oh, we're gonna fucking die. We're gonna die.
You'll see fucking all
Just-
your pistons below.
Congrats, you're turning it into a Subaru. Pistons just go right into the ceiling.
This is what no seat looks like.
Or a fucking eco boom.
Shit's gonna be easy though.
Oh yeah. No, that'll be easy.
Sure, dude.
Yeah. That's like all the way down there. That's not gonna be that bad at all.
It's not. Just gotta get it up.
Yeah. Okay, take two. Because it got too dark yesterday and I had gotten the wrong size exhaust clamps. So take two. I'll be heading over in a little bit to try and do this X pipe. Then I might still do resonator deletes at some point.
The fuck? I could have sworn I watched this fucking video and I didn't delete the shit. Oh yeah.
Hell yeah. So slight change of plans. We are now taking Peyton's wheels off, putting them on mine, putting mine on his, and then doing my exhaust, hopefully.
I don't know what I am doing at all. This is new. What is a car?
But hopefully after that, we'll be doing the exhaust on the Mustang. So, have not made progress on the car yet. We've been trying to fix, we were trying to put my tires on Peyton's car so he could run autocross tomorrow, but does not have the right size lugs for his car to fit it. And Conrad is just now about done putting the 2018 GT intake manifold on his 2015. Then after that, we should be doing the X pipe on my car. That'll be fun to do. So let's see if Conrad got the tune set. Because we're not getting to this today. Getting to that tomorrow after autocross. Jeez, it's cold out. Might be because I'm in just a t-shirt instead of a jacket, but it's cold out. Let's see how that 18 intake manifold works on this car with the tune and the cold air and everything.
Tell me phone's down though. Let's see what the fuck she does.
Let's see this.
Make sure everything's hooked up right.
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. I mean, it doesn't have to be 100% because, you know,
Right.
it's just gonna be one start.
Yeah, as long as it starts.
Yeah.
That way you'll know it's done.
See?
Let's see it. God damn! God damn!
This is gonna be a fucking
You can hear the fucking intake. Jeez! Oh my god! Oh god, that's gonna be a monster. Oh! Damn!
This is gonna be fucking deadly. Bro, look at the fucking air.
Oh, dude, did you hear it sucking in as you hit the gas harder?
Huh?
As you hit the gas, you're. Day 3. Let's get this exhaust done. Got it up on a lift now. These are the bitches that have been giving me a problem because these are on upside down. That's upside down. And that's upside down. Because it should not be able to be that way.
You got a new disc? You got a new one? That's perfect, bro.
Oh yeah. That'll be easy enough to just line up.
And we gotta put this on the snap, Sam. We gotta put this shit
Let's
on
see
the
how
snap,
this thing
bro.
sounds now.
Oh, what's it called? We're seeing how it sounds. We gotta put it back up for the camera. It ain't gonna take too long. Yeah, bro.
Oh, there it is. There's that volume.
Not bad at all.
That's a good. That's the kind of noise I was looking for.
It's not loud like mine, but it sounds good.
It's getting there. Once I take out the resonators entirely, it'll be different.
Can't make me prove my fucking skills in fucking automotive.
All right, it's the next morning because it was dark and I didn't feel like filming in the dark. Give it a cold start. Yeah, that's definitely a bit louder on cold start. But that means I'm gonna end this video here. Took a while to do. I'm not sure if that's all I want to do to it. I might still cut the resonators off. But if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, do all the good stuff, and I'll see you all next video. But till then, bye-bye.